guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be another vlog. I'm on my way to go pick up my two friends, Jeff and Carter, to go to a car meet, and then we're probably just gonna get something after. I'm gonna see if I could vlog me driving out there, but I don't think so because I drive stick, so everything's kind of difficult to do with one hand. So let's go pick them up. I'll just let you guys know when I'm there. Finally got here. I'm here waiting in his house. Yay!
That's too close, you see all my impressions.
Shut up.
Michelle.
Where's the button? Is there like a little button? A little thing? Ow! Well, finally.
What is that?
It's blue. You never seen this?
No.
You buy them at auto shops and stuff.
What the fuck?
Yeah, better, you clean this better with oils.
I never knew that.
Oh my gosh, Carter, you know everybody here.
One person.
We came to Aloha to get a sushi burrito. Hi. Can I get the sushi burrito, the number 4? Okay. And that'd be it. And then an Arizona.
Okay, what's your to go?
For here.
11:28, please.
You gonna get something?
No.
The food finally came in. Shrimp tempura burrito. Tempura. Tempura liquid.
Are you just blocking fucking that?
Oh, sorry. And now we came over here to Boba Sweet. Hi. Can I get Thai tea? Thai milk tea? Yes, please. I got Thai tea, guys. The usual. What did you get?
Taro milk tea. Boba.
Hey! Hi. You see that?
Yeah, open more. There you go.
My eyebrows only concealed from the bottom. Finally, we picked you up. Alright, we're gonna go to the destination. I don't know where we're going. Well, guys, we're going somewhere else because someone decided to have the freaking observatory to win. We made it to Universal City Walk, but we're not going into the the little thingy. We're just gonna walk here. We're here watching, playing Uno.
What the fuck?
We're gonna play a couple rounds, you know.
Someone's gonna die, you know. Like that wood.
Oh no. Turn off the camera. Oh, everybody get in here.
Going down or up?
Yeah, we're going down, fool.
Oh, there.
Right here. We're in 2.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I don't know where we're going, but I'll see you when we're there. We're eating pizza now.
Why you expose me like that?
Hey guys, I'm just gonna close out today's video. I already got back home. Today's vlog was kind of out of order and I'm sorry, but leave a like, comment, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.